Due to the influence of a winter air pressure pattern, snow and clouds were observed in various parts of Aomori Prefecture on the 7th, with some areas experiencing temporary snowstorms. According to the Aomori Regional Meteorological Observatory, a strong cold front is expected to move in on the 8th, and there is a risk of heavy snowfall warnings in Tsugaru and Sanya-Kamikita. The observatory urged the public to be alert for traffic disruptions, falling snow from rooftops, frozen roads, and avalanches. Record-breaking snowfall was recorded in Aomori City, and significantly higher than average snowfall was observed in various parts of Aomori Prefecture. In the afternoon, the Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces began operations in response to a prefectural request for disaster relief. On the 1st, Aomori City experienced record-breaking snowfall, with snow depths exceeding 1.8 meters. At the city's request, Aomori Prefecture requested the Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces dispatch disaster relief personnel by 10 o'clock p.m. on the 1st. Governor Miyashita held an emergency press conference on the morning of the 2nd and stated, "We are facing a serious risk of fatal accidents and house collapses due to snow falling from roofs." He then stated, "Snow removal is simply not enough for the situation on the streets of Aomori City," and indicated that, in addition to clearing snow from roofs, he might request snow removal from the roads as well, depending on the situation. The Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces, having received a request from the prefecture to dispatch troops to the disaster area, began operations on the afternoon of the 2nd. 13 members of the Aomori garrison cleared snow from a house in Maganai, Aomori City, where a couple in their 80s lived. The team members used snow removal equipment to officially remove the accumulated snow around the house to a snow dump, then used a ladder to climb to the first floor of the roof to inspect the condition of the accumulated snow. Then, wearing safety harnesses, they carefully cleared the snow from the roof using the equipment. According to the city and the self-defense forces, work will begin on the 3rd to clear the snow from the roofs of the 1st and 2nd floors of this house. The According to the Japan Meteorological Agency, a winter-type atmospheric pressure pattern is forming over Japan, and snow is falling on the Sea of Japan side. Atmospheric conditions are also unstable on the Pacific side, with rain clouds covering parts of the Kanto region. In southern Kanto and other areas, there is a possibility of light snowfall in the early hours of the 3rd. Due to persistent snowfall following last month's cold wave, snow accumulation is higher than average in many areas along the Sea of Japan coast. In Aomori City, 16 centimeters of snow fell in the 3 hours leading up to 3 o'clock p.m. on the 1st, bringing the total accumulation to 1.83 meters. This is the first time Aomori City has exceeded 1.80 meters since 1986, setting a record. Additionally, snow accumulation in Aomori Prefecture as of 5 p.m. was 1.46 meters in Bushogawara City, about 2.5 times the average, and 81 centimeters in Fukura City, about 3.7 times the average, with snow accumulation significantly exceeding the average, especially in Tsugaru. In Kakunabate City, Akita Prefecture, the snow depth temporarily reached 1 meter 46 centimeters, the highest since statistics began. Snowfall is expected to continue from Hokkaido to Hokuriku until the morning of the 8th, so please be careful of heavy snow that could affect traffic, snow falling from roofs, power outages due to snow accumulation on power lines and trees, and avalanches. There have been a series of accidents in various locations where people fell from roofs or became trapped in falling snow while clearing snow. Be sure to wear a safety harness and helmet, and be sure to warm up before working with large numbers of people, such as family members or neighbors. The winter pressure system is expected to ease from the west, with temperatures expected to rise about 5 degrees Celsius above average in some areas. In areas with heavy snowfall, please be careful of avalanches and snow falling from roofs.
消防車も倒れそうなほど車体を大きく揺らして走行していました。
Following this, a low pressure system is expected to develop and pass near northern Japan on the 8th, and the winter pressure system is expected to strengthen again over the weekend, bringing snow to a wide area, especially along the coast of the Sea of Japan.